In this video, I will show you how you can hold your yarn when you are knitting with more than one color. There is no correct way to do this, so just use what works for you. You can see that I have a project here with a main cream color and a brown secondary color. When I work with two colors, I always hold the main color in my right hand and the secondary color in my left hand. This keeps the colors separate and you are ready to knit with whichever color the pattern requires. Now I'll knit some stitches with my main color. And then when I get to that point in my pattern, I'll knit the stitch required with the secondary color. Even if you're not as good at knitting with your non-dominant hand, I still find that it's faster to do it this way. If holding yarn in both your hands doesn't work for you, you can always just set the secondary color aside when you are knitting with the main color. Then you can knit your stitches as normal with your main color, and when you get to the part in your pattern where you need the secondary color, you can simply just switch out the strand that you're knitting with and use the secondary color. Just make sure that the strands don't get tangled in the back.